All right, I have this smart Wi-Fi LED strip light. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. It says it's good for more than 65,000 hours. It's dimmable and has voice control. So let's open the box and see what we got. There's a user manual that shows you how to set it up if you need help. There's a power adapter, and that'll plug into this power adapter, which will plug into the lights. There's a remote for it, and also a user manual for the remote. This is what the spool of lights looks like. These pieces will plug in together, just like that. Then your power cord will plug into that, and of course that'll plug into the wall. Then these are the lights. Wherever you need to cut them, if you do, you cut them right there where there's that copper color. On the back side, there's tape, so you just peel that off and stick it where you want to. There's some buttons right here on the adapter, and that adapter also has some tape on it, so you can stick that where you need it and control it from there, or you can control it with the remote. So I'm going to stick this behind my bed, show you how it looks, and tell you my thoughts. All right, to try them out, I'm actually going to light the back of our bed right here. There's a little ledge here on the other side of the bed frame, so I'm just going to run the LEDs along that. Really easy to install. Just peel off a really thin layer of blue. It's easy to peel off too much. Just want to peel off the blue layer. That leaves the sticky stuff on the LEDs, and you can stick it down. You cut them right there where there's that copper color. It does come with a remote, so let's try to turn them on. Yeah, it definitely works really well. I'm gonna hide this cord a little bit. This little dongle right here is the receiver for the wireless remote. Make sure that has line of sight with the remote. You can hide everything else if you want to. Just bring that back up. That way the remote will work well. Oh, that looks super cool. Nice hidden lighting. It's beautiful. You can change the color temperature using these colored buttons. I think we can change the brightness also. Nice dim.
I like this lighting.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
There are a couple modes on here too, although they're quite weird. Not sure why anybody would ever want this. But maybe if you're having a party or something. I like just the standard colors. I like the vibe that this adds to the room. This is what they look like when they're off. Just a real thin layer there. And this is what they look like when they're on. Just a nice even glow. There are a couple buttons on this as well. You can turn them off and on. You can change the brightness. And you can change the color temperature. But for most things, you'll need to use the remote. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot. You can actually control this using your Amazon Echo device as well. Alexa, turn the bed frame light off. Very cool. I like that a lot. Alexa, turn bed frame light on. Which means you can also set it up with routines. So Alexa, good night. And turn off all kinds of things at the same time with a simple command. Of course, that's if you have an Amazon Echo as well. Yeah, I like the lighting in this room now. That's really cool. Super cool. Love the look. Glad that I got it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.